Hi, welcome back to my Amazon Web Service Cloud Practitioner. So today we gonna go to database and analysis and other compute section. So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Vinata Kokita and Kun. Okay, so this time let's get started. We're gonna go to database intro first. Database intro for storing data on disk like EFS, EBS, EC2 instance store S3 that can have its limit. Sometimes you want to store data in database. You can structure the data you build, index it to efficiently query search through the data. You define the relationship between your dataset. Databases are optimized for purpose and come with different features, shape, and constraints. For NoSQL database, NoSQL database is mean non-SQL or non-relational databases. NoSQL databases are purpose-built for specific data models and have flexible schema for building modern applications. So this is some benefit for NoSQL. Its flexibility is easy to involve data model. Its scalability is designed to scale out by using distributed cluster. High performance optimized for a specific data model. High functional type optimized for the data model. And for example, key value, document, graph, in-memory, search, database. So this is how NoSQL data example JSON look. JSON is a JavaScript option notation. JSON is a common form for data that fit into a NoSQL model. Data can be netted. Fields can change over time and support for new type, arrays, and etc. As you see in the picture, this is a JSON look is name there are name a car, and this is a kind of car, and this is a street type house numbers and street. So databases and share responsibility on AWS. How database share responsibility on AWS. AWS offers use to manage different databases. Benefits include quick provisioning, high availability, vertical and horizontal scaling, automated backup, restore, operations, and upgrades. Operating system patching is handled by AWS, and monitoring other things. And you have to uh, you have to keep in mind this thing. Many database technology could be run on EC2, but you might to handle yourself the resiliency, backup, patching, high availability, fault tolerance, and scaling by yourself. So let's go to Amazon RDX overview. RDS stands for Relational Database Service. It manages DB service for DB use SQL as a query language. It allows you to create database in the cloud that are managed by AWS, like Postgres, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2, and Aurora AWS proprietary database. Advantage over using RDS versus deploying DB on EC2. So we gonna go to see the different from both. RDS is a managed service, automated provisioning, OS patching, continuous backup, and restore to specific timestamp point in time restore. monitoring dashboard, read replicas for improved read performance, multi-AC setup for DR, disaster recovery, maintenance window for upgrade, scaling capability, vertical and horizontal, storage backed by EBSN, but you can use for SSH into your instance. So let's go to Amazon Aurora. Aurora is proprietary technology from AWS, not open source. It's not open source. Postgres, SQL, and MySQL are both support as Aurora DB. Aurora is AWS Cloud optimized and claim 5 times performance improvement over MySQL on RDS, over 3 times the performance